Good evening and welcome to the news. Here are today's top stories. Government urges pressure groups to abide by law amid Negrim's recruitment protest. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong reaffirms necessity of Aadhaar card for accessing a wide range of government services. Plastics are not only an eyesore to the environment but a threat to biodiversity, says Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. Rajya Sabha MP Dr. W.R. Kharluki stresses the need for unity among the northeastern states. And Meghalaya's BJP to focus on rebuilding grassroots workers over the next 3 years. Here's the news in detail. Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home Police, Preston Tinsong, has urged pressure groups to refrain from taking the law into their own hands. The statement comes in the wake of recent protests against the recruitment process at the Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences, better known as NEGRIMS. While indicating that the government remains open to discussions and dialogue with concerned parties, he stressed that any form of protest or action must adhere to established legal procedures.
Be it a pressure group or be it anybody, I would request to everyone that whatever we do, it should be guided, prescribed norms of the law. We can't, take the law on our own hands. So whatever it should be as per the law, prescribed. So I would request, yes, there may be some kind of discussion or meeting with different agencies. I mean, we welcome that, but at the same time, you cannot just take the law in your hand.
Amidst the ongoing protests against Aadhaar registration in Meghalaya, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong reaffirmed the necessity of the Aadhaar card for accessing a wide range of government services. He maintained that while the government cannot compel anyone to register, individuals who chose not to enroll for Aadhaar would likely forego the benefits extended under various central and state schemes.
I've seen recently some section of people, they are against it. I can't say anything on that. If they don't want to avail the facilities provided by the government, be it central or state, so it is up to them. We cannot force them for registration of Aadhaar card in case if they feel that it is totally unnecessary for them.
Plastics are not only an eyesore to our environment, but are a threat to its beautiful biodiversity, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma remarked on social media platform X. He said this while holding a used plastic bottle in his hand, a smashed bottle that he had picked up from a forest as he was trekking the scenic rhododendron trek in Upper Shillong recently. The Chief Minister advised the public that next time people go for a trek, a walk or a picnic to beautiful locations, they should abstain from littering and to pick up their own trash.
Something that I really would like to urge our tourists as well as citizens and people coming to be part of this beautiful trek, that please don't litter, please don't leave your garbage behind like this. It's a simple thing for you, but it spoils the entire forest area. And just carry this trash with you, your trash with you, and maybe also pick up some of the trash that you see that others who are not as responsible as you may have left behind. Just take it and throw it in the designated locations. But please don't litter the forest. This is something that will really spoil the forest and the entire environment out here.
MP Rajya Sabha from Meghalaya, Dr. Wanway Roy Kharluki, observed that the northeastern part of India will not be able to reap any benefits if there's no unity among the northeastern states. He said the union government will pay heed to the demands only if there is a single party from the northeast comprising 20 to 21 MPs. Acknowledging the existence of the Northeast MP Forum, Dr. Kharuki, however, said that controversial issues are usually avoided. He stated that discussion is usually on development in the Northeast.
We don't have the strength. Kumulong apoy hanteng ipoiler kejong BJP kejong Congress kejong kecing ilek mata individually apoy sei dan rei ilek as a force mundur lagi don ke parti non is ke bala don arpo MP kini ke voice ke bala apakah kemudian ke government of India ka happen.
The former Vice President of BJP Meghalaya Pradesh, Gagan Jain, has said that Meghalaya BJP will focus on rebuilding the grassroots workers over the next 3 years. Jain said that the BJP in Meghalaya has decided to strengthen the organization at the grassroots level and encourage true Karyakartas to come out. Stating that the vote share of the party has not dwindled, Jain said the party was able to retain Laban and Pinthorm seats.
To form a government or to win more MLA seats in our state, we need the grassroots organization. We build the grassroots. What we have realized over the past 10 years is that we build the grassroots organizations, and then for some reason or the other, it doesn't succeed going forward. Then we have to rebuild it. So that saga has been going on. Now we have decided under the leadership of Barikman Moment that we will strengthen that grassroots organization and will encourage the true Karyakartas to come up in all the mandals.
A tragic road accident claimed the life of a young staff nurse serving in an officiating capacity at Nongpo Civil Hospital. The incident occurred when the car in which she was travelling collided with a moving truck along the National Highway 6 near Lumumpi area in Ribhoi district. The fatal accident took place on Friday night around 11 p.m. The victim has been identified as Philashisha Linser, aged 25, from Umbir Lausiem in Ribhoi district. The government is planning to invest 10 lakh crore rupees over the next 2 years to strengthen highways across the country with special focus on the northeast and border areas. This was informed by Road Transport and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari. He asserted the government is planning to take up projects to enhance infrastructure in the northeast, where roads will rival those in the United States. The minister said there is an urgent need to augment the road infrastructure in the northeast, given its difficult terrain and proximity to borders with several countries. The participation of male and female weightlifters from various districts across Meghalaya in the 2-day Meghalaya Invitational Weightlifting Tournament organized by the Ribhoi District Weightlifting Association made for a lively and spirited event. The athletes competed with great determination, showcasing their skill and strength as they vied for top honours. The event was attended by Lok Sabha MP from Shillong, Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkon.
In the women's category, each one of you are the heart of this great event. Well, the sport of weightlifting is not merely lifting weights. I believe it's also about lifting your own limits. And we saw today one of the athletes, his body weight was 55 kg and lifting, I think, 80 kg. So it's not just about lifting weights, it's about lifting our limits.
The ongoing Play On Inter-School Sports Meet, organised by ArtSourced in collaboration with the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, Meghalaya, held its basketball semi-finals on Saturday at Don Bosco Higher Secondary School. The event saw intense competition among participating schools in both girls and boys categories. These matches showcased the skills and determination of the young athletes. Next week will feature exciting matches including esports, basketball and football finals. The Play On Inter-School Sports Meet aims to nurture young athletes and promote sports at the school level, providing students with a platform to showcase their talents and skills. In football, Mohun Bagan Super Giant clinched the Indian Super League or the ISL 2024-25 title following a 2-1 victory over Bengaluru FC at the Vivekananda Yuba Bharati Krirangan Stadium in Kolkata. This was Mohun Bagan's second ISL title following their maiden triumph in the 2022-23 season. They also became only the second team after Mumbai City FC in 2020-21 to win both the League Winners' Shield and the ISL Cup in the same season. And now for a look at the weather. First, let's look at the weather report in Tura, where the minimum temperature was 22 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature of 32 degrees Celsius with relative humidity of 43%. Moving on to Shillong, the minimum temperature was 13.4 degrees Celsius with the maximum temperature at 23.2 degrees Celsius and relative humidity of 82%. There was rainfall of 5.7 millimeters. Meanwhile, in Juwai, the minimum temperature was 17 degrees Celsius with the maximum temperature at 23 degrees Celsius and relative humidity at 69%. The forecast in Shillong, Tura and Juwai indicate that moderate rain is likely to occur at a few places. And now for a quick recap of the top stories of the day. Government urges pressure groups to abide by law amid NIGRIM's recruitment protest. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong reaffirms necessity of Aadhaar card for accessing a wide range of government services. Plastics are not only an eyesore to the environment but a threat to the biodiversity, says Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. Rajya Sabha MP Dr. W.R. Kharluki stresses the need for unity among northeastern states. And Meghalaya BJP to focus on rebuilding grassroots workers over the next 3 years. And with that, we come to the end of today's news edition. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow.